Hey guys, I got a Sports Afield 30 gun safe here. Just got it from Menards, and the mechanical key works, but the electronic keypad does not open it. They sent me a new keypad to replace. So just to show you guys what's going on, if I put in my code, hit the pound, the green LED lights up, but this won't turn. So I have to take this off and do the mechanical key to unlock it. So I got the safe open now with the key. First thing I'm going to do is to take off this cover here. So there are these little black covers. You pop those off. There's a screw underneath. You can take that off with the screws. So here's what the back of the front cover looks like. So I took that cover off. And I noticed this wire here was unhooked. So I'm going to try to hook that back up and see if that fixes the issue. So guys, I plugged that wire in and it fixed the problem. Now, if I punch in my code, now it opens. There's this little cylinder here. It'll close right there. That was not opening. So that fixed the issue. So I'm not going to replace the keypad, but if I was, what you do is you take off this keypad here and you can unplug this guy. There. You can undo this here and then slide it back through, and you can pull the new wire in from the front with a screwdriver, direct it up in here and reconnect it. Pretty easy to replace. Hope this video helped.